Hello, my name is Robin, and this is me launching my book on the topic of Selenium test automation earlier this year at the Bay Area. You see, I've been in the industry of test automation for more than a decade. Interestingly, the one thing which has not changed are the same core challenges of software test automation. At one of my previous assignments, we had to automate hundreds of Salesforce test cases, and none of them survived even one quarterly platform release. And this is not just me. We talked to over 40 customers across the globe of both enterprise systems such as Salesforce, ServiceNow, Workday, Oracle, or even homegrown apps, and found that teams still struggle with writing locators by hand, maintaining frameworks, or investing in these costly and heavy testing tools. See, this is just the tip of the iceberg. As GenAI accelerates the software development process, how will your software testing tools and frameworks keep up pace with this rapid pace of development? And if the UI itself is generated on the fly, it gets even worse. Don't you think we need systems which can understand the application under test, which can dynamically use tools such as APIs or browsers and give the results of testing just like a human would? And that is why we are building Hercules, the world's first open source software testing agent, so that you, the tester, can focus on the real quality of the software and not wrangling frameworks or using tools. We really want to bring the power back to you, the user. So here is my partner Shriyansh, who can give you a quick walkthrough of the platform.
So, when you start the test automation, what you want? You want a very crisply written test case. It should be atomic in nature and it should specifically give where is the assert. Now, let's see how we can do this with Hercules. Let's pick up an example. Here, I have a test case which is trying to log into Wrangler India website and trying to find out a rainbow jacket with turtleneck. Interesting choice. Let's see how we can run this test case. Let me show how it is triggered. There we go. Now it's executing. Now how Hercules is different from other systems. In this execution, at this point, Hercules is trying to read individual steps mentioned in the feature file and trying to figure it out whether these are first of all assert in nature or not. Second thing, if they are general instructions, are they elaborated in nature or not? If they are not elaborated in nature, it will go and try to expand those into a general instruction, something which can be easily understood by the tooling underneath the Hercules. If it is assert in nature, it will try to make it precise and try to figure it out what is the expected result out of it so that it can document it properly. And after all the execution, as you can see it's going on, we will have our final report. Wow, we have a very good final report. That's what we want, right? It's a green color report, and that's what we want in all our day-to-day sprints. Nice, let's check it out. Interesting. As you can see, there are certain specific parameters which are there to help you to understand how was the execution going on and what were the extra properties being captured during the execution, such as LLM cost, which is very important for these days related to any AI application. Isn't that simple and intuitive enough? All the authoring and all the execution under your control. Back to you, Robin.
Wow, isn't that awesome? No, I'm not talking about the rainbow jacket. Isn't it awesome that you can just take in your Gherkin features, feed them into Hercules, and get the results on the other side without any code, maintenance, or any additional costs? As a test automation engineer myself in the past, we used to spend months automating such scenarios, fighting inspectors, locators, elements, frameworks, or tools. But with the power of Hercules, you can achieve the same results in minutes, not months. All of this comes at no cost. As you can see, Hercules is open source and available on GitHub for you. Additionally, Hercules is grounded on the Salesforce UI, so it understands terms like app launcher, so that you can focus on testing the CRM use cases on Salesforce and not bother about the quarterly maintenance updates. We really want to empower you, the tester, to focus on real software quality. And this is just the first step. Where you go from here is up to you. This Monday is not just the start of the week. It is the start of a new era of open and agentic test automation. You can try Hercules at testzeus.com/Hercules or feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.